Highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Goal of education is the holistic development of the children, keeping in mind the educational requirements of the children around Kareli, Kargena. Mother Teresa Memorial School was started in the year 2003 as a Hindi medium school. In 2017, we started Mother Teresa Memorial English Medium School. We started with a small group of 42 children.
आपको सहर्ष सूचित किया जाता है कि अप्रैल 2024 में इस विद्यालय को सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्तर की मान्यता प्राप्त हुई। 2024-25 के शैक्षिक सत्र में हम 11वीं कक्षा आरंभ कर रहे हैं।
There are 37 staff members, 4 office staff and 8 supporting staff who are continuously available for the children and the parents and are engaged in the smooth running of the school.
मदर टेरेसा स्मारक सीनियर सेकेंडरी विद्यालय का प्रबंधन बरेली कैथलिक धर्मप्रांत की शिक्षा परिषद के संरक्षण में किया जा रहा है। बरेली धर्मप्रांत के धर्माध्यक्ष अति मान्यवर डॉक्टर इग्नेशियस डिसूजा इस परिषद के अध्यक्ष हैं।
The school is set in an open area with 2 buildings of 3 stories. It is equipped with science, chemistry, physics, biology and a composite laboratory and also a computer lab and library. Recently, we have built a ramp for the easy movement of the children with special needs.
मदर टेरेसा स्मारक विद्यालय में विशाल खेल मैदान है जिसमें बास्केटबॉल, बैडमिंटन, खो खो, वॉलीबॉल, थ्रोबॉल, फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट खेलों की सुविधा है।
We conduct summer camp every year for children of classes 4th to 10th. Summer camp is an opportunity for children to learn various skills, games and activities which they enjoy the best. We have a committed, dedicated and hard-working staff at Mother Teresa Memorial School who give their best not only to teach the subjects but inculcate human values in children. Mr. Yashpal Gangwar, a TGT teacher, says about his experience.
मुझे इस विद्यालय में पढ़ाते हुए 20 वर्ष का समय हो चुका है। इतने 20 वर्षों के लंबे समय में मेरे पढ़ाए हुए कुछ विद्यार्थी बहुत ही अच्छे पदों पर पहुंच चुके हैं। तो मुझे यहाँ का अनुभव ये है कि यहाँ के जो विद्यालय प्रबंधन है उनके साथ कार्य करने में मुझे बहुत ही गर्व महसूस होता है। हमारे विद्यार्थी जो यहाँ शिक्षा ग्रहण करने आते हैं वो बहुत ही उम्मीद से आते हैं। उनके अभिभावक महोदय इसलिए इस विद्यालय में भेजते हैं जिससे उनके बच्चे जो हैं वो इस निकट भविष्य में कुछ अच्छे पदों पर पहुंच सकें।
Mrs. Hansdeep Kaur, a primary teacher for the past 8 years, says,
I would like to say that I feel so proud to be a part of Mother Teresa Memorial Senior Secondary School. There are so many reasons to work here. The pure environment. The environment is so positive, which gives positive vibration to one and all.
Mrs. Suchi Khandelwal, a primary teacher since the beginning of the English medium school, says,
It's more than just a job for me, it's a part of my identity. The daily interaction with my students, with my colleagues are a significant part of my social life. Strong, positive relationship with the students, including their parents, are enhanced the sense of purpose and fulfillment.
सत्र 2023-24 में 19 बच्चों ने कक्षा 10 की परीक्षा दी और विद्यालय का परिणाम 100% रहा। 92% अंकों के साथ कुमारी अर्सला शीर्ष स्थान पर रही।
Sister Shalini Thomas has taken charge as the principal from the year 2024, and we are grateful to Sister Mary Eapen, the outgoing principal, for her contribution to the school. Reverend Father Paul Falera is the new manager of the school. We at Mother Teresa Memorial School believe that perseverance and hard work will have its fruits in the future. We have seen changes in the students and parents as well. We deeply hope, firmly believe, and earnestly pray that one day we will have the joy of seeing our students as responsible citizens of our country, India.
हम उम्मीद व आशा के साथ प्रार्थना करते हैं कि निकट भविष्य में हमारे विद्यार्थी भारत के सम्मानित और निष्ठावान नागरिक बने। छात्र छात्राओं के समग्र विकास में अभिभावकों तथा शिक्षकों के सामूहिक प्रयासों में ईश्वर की कृपा और आशीष बनी रहे।